Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about scattering of light. What is scattering? Scattering means absorptions of light and then re-emitting it into different direction. Called scattering. Scattering depends upon two factors. First one, size of the particle, and second is wavelength. So here S is inversely proportional to fourth power of wavelength. That means if the wavelength is more, scattering will be less, and if wavelength is less, scattering will be more. And now you know wavelength of blue color and wavelength of red color. White color is a mixture of 7 color with your, so violet color, blue color and red color. So red color has more wavelength, blue color has less wavelength. So red color scatter the least. That is why all danger signals are red, because red color scatter the least. And blue color scatter the most. So that is why sky is blue, because our eyes are more sensitive to blue color. So violet color is absorbed by the atmosphere, and the color which reach to our eye and very sensitive to our eye is blue color. So sky appears to be blue. Okay, these are all due to wavelengths of light, different wavelengths of light. Second is size of the particle. The particle which scatter light is called scatterer. So scattering depends upon size of the scatterer. If size of the scatterer is small, then blue color scatter the most, and if scattering color is large, then all colors, very large, then all colors scatter equally. When all colors scatter equally, combination of all color will give you white light. So clouds are white, because all color scatter equally. Size of the particle is very large. Now, if size of the particle is smaller than the wavelength, then this scattering is called relay scattering. Okay, and relay scattering is for the liquids and gases where the size of the particles are very microscopic, very small. We can demonstrate one experiment. Tyndall effect. For Tyndall effect, what is Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect is a scattering caused by microscopic solids particles suspended in liquid and gas. So here for this experiment we have taken one beaker. In this beaker we have taken two types of chemical. One is sodium thiosulfate, other one is concentrated sulfuric acid. Sodium thiosulfate and concentrated sulfuric acid, when they are mixed, suspended particles of sulfur you can see in the container. Now when light falls on these particles, the liquid inside the water appears to be blue because of fine size particle. Okay, because fine particle scatter mainly blue color light. So this color appears to be blue here. Now after that, allow the light to fall on another hole. Then from this hole when light pass, it is orange and red. At final point you will see when the light reaches, we have crimson red color on the screen. Here is the screen. On screen we can see the crimson red color. So transmitted light is crimson red color. This shows the longer wavelength. Okay, and here the blue color which shows the short wavelength, small wavelength of blue color. Okay, so this is all about your experiment. If there is no atmosphere, atmosphere in refraction means it should require atmosphere. If there is no atmosphere, no suspended particle, then what will happen? Scattering will not take place. Scattering will not take place. And if the size of the particle is very large, then what will happen? all color scatter equally and it look to be white. So, now during sunrise and sunset, here you see the sun, here is the observer. During afternoon, sun is overhead, and during morning, sun is here near the horizon. So here the distance is more, here the distance is less. So the light rays which are coming to observer in morning time, it covers a longer distance. But here in afternoon, it covers a less distance. Okay, so since it covers a less distance and here it covers a more distance, then what will happen? Here it appears red color and here it appears white color. Because sunlight at sunrises or sunset have to cover longer distance in the atmosphere to reach the observer. So suspended particle in the atmosphere scatter very light of small wavelength. So red light scatter the least, so observer can see the red color in the early morning. And in the evening time also, when sun set, we can see the red color of the sky, because red color scatter the least.